Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all doing okay. As you can see, I want to do a review of this humidifier. I bought it recently. I didn't take a video of unboxing it, but I want to do a review with you guys. As you can see, it's just a simple, it doesn't have a lot of stuff. It's white in color. I had ordered it kutoka China. Most of my stuff I like ordering from China because I have friends there, so it's easy for me to access things and they get it for me mpaka hapa Kenya. So this is the humidifier they bought me. I love the color. I love how huge it is. It's amazing. As you can see, how inside it's looking. This is where we're gonna pour the water, and this is where the steam, the mist tatoka, this here. Then this is how it looks down here. You can see it's just simple. Hapa ndo where I'll put my marashi or the scent you want. I have it here, the scent I want to put in. It's an Arabic oud. It smells like strawberry, apple, mixture of fruits. I love it. Makes the house smell so nice. And this is the glass of water where I'm going to pour hapa ndani. Then I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the knob. This is the knob where you operate off, on, then you want your mist to come forcefully or just little bit hapa yote. So let me just show you how it comes out. It's like that. I'm gonna pour in my water like that. After pouring the water, I've poured the water first. I put this aside. Then I take my scent. I pour it a little bit here. I've put a lot, but that's it. Then I put it back. I cover it. Then you just control it's on. You can see guys, the mist it's coming out. Wow, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. I like using this after I've cooked like fish or chicken or meat. Nyumba nzima huwa inanuka fishy. It doesn't smell nice. So after cooking, I usually like putting this on, so it brings fresh air back. It makes the house smells nice. So this is the review I want to show you guys. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. As you can see, the mist, it's coming out very well. It's smelling so nice. As you can see, amazing. So that's it. That's the review I wanted to show you guys. I hope you like this video. Kizungu bada. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, share, please guys subscribe. I'm at 0 subscribers. but I know I'll get there someday. I will not lose hope. I'll continue posting until I get where I want to. So I hope you guys love this review. Comment down what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.